In this video, we continue our week up at Gnaraloo Station, which is north of Carnarvon in Western Australia. In this episode, we get out on the boat, we catch some fish, we cook some fish, we cook some steak, we sit back, we enjoy some sunsets, and ultimately we relax, switching off from the busyness of the rest of the world. Hopefully you get to experience this place for yourself someday. Pump him. Put the pressure on, Don't let the line go slack, Jack. Keep it. Cause yeah, that's it.
That is the smallest fucking I've ever seen in my life.
ForknVan! That's good, Jack. Well done, mate. This might have been a tiny fish, but it was a massive effort. The young bloke had been seasick for hours. If he hadn't have been as staunch and been able to stay on the boat, we wouldn't have caught the fish that are coming up next.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave.
Before we headed up to Gnaraloo, my mate Azza, the skipper of the boat, said, "Mate, what fish are you going to catch on this trip?" And I said, "Az, it's going to be a red emperor." In this clip, it was my second drop, and I landed the fish that I came for.
Put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Bronze whaler was not our target species, but it put up a good fight. It was caught and it was released. A few drops later, I was onto something big. It just about took me over the side. Instead, my rod blew up in my hands. I didn't land that fish, and I'll never know what it actually was. Following you around like a bad smell, as a.
I was wondering what that smell was.
another big rig pulling in. Weber.
I remember when you were in Robert. I was the first time when the youngsters Josh and Daniel were with us.
Utilise. A ty da puțin pește ți-ai pus.
Should I put more?
Some fish for you. What's this one? This is prawns.
Oh, that doesn't work. Yeah, let me get it from your house.
Okay. What's that one? Do you have to now remove peppercorns from
This one's cobia.
I want the cuda.
That one's Spanish mackerel.
Doesn't work. Jesus Christ.
You know what, I'm just gonna have Spanish mackerel. I like that one.
Oh, it's out of focus.
Have a little bit more.
You know, Aaron, you are Clint.
It's out of focus again.
That's alright.
Oh my goodness.
What else we got here? Some tartare.
Tartare's over here.
Oh, the
Oh,
Cupid,
deep
yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Tartare's good.
Tartare. I thought it was tartar sauce.
It probably is tartar.
No, I think it's tartare.
Very good for his video. Yeah.
That's excellent. Bit of secret sauce. Fucking no, dude. Alright, sweet. Very good. Our last night in Gnaraloo coincided with the birthdays of two of our beautiful nieces. To celebrate, we cooked some smoked Romanian pork fat, otherwise known as clisse. We also cooked a couple of dry-aged ribeye steaks from the Good Food Butchery and Kitchen down in Perth. We vacuum sealed these to make sure that they lasted to the end of our trip to mark such an occasion. Same on the other side. Pepper. Bit of salt.
You're gonna chill out, right? No, it stopped.
Wow.
Oh.
See Daisy?
You're a fucking van.
Have another drink.
It's fucking shit.
Dad, do you want me to cut your dad bought some ham here? Do you want me to cut that up?
Never really know what's going on.
Thanks for watching. That's the end of our trip to Gnaraloo. We had a great time with our family and friends. In our next video, we'll be swapping the sunshine of the northwest coast for something cooler down in the southwest of Western Australia. We hope you can join us then.